Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, we are going to see how to change or adjust your camera or your webcam settings on Windows 11. Let's start the video. First, click on this search icon and here you have to type camera. Type camera and you will see this result, manage cameras. Click on it. And this will show you the connected cameras. The another method to open your camera settings is click on this Windows icon, then click on this settings option. After that, on the left side, click on this option Bluetooth and devices, click on it, and then right side, click on this cameras option, and this will show you the connected cameras. So this is the camera which I am using, so click on it. Now here you can see this option basic settings, so you can increase or decrease your camera brightness, contrast or sharpness. Okay, so you can use this option to increase or decrease your camera settings, or you can also reset your camera settings to default. Just click on this option reset settings, so this will reset the default settings for your camera. Okay, the next thing you can do is update your webcam, your camera driver. So right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option device manager. After that, click on this cameras option, expand this option, and this will show you your camera driver. Right click on it, then click on update driver, click on search automatically. So this will update your camera driver. After that, restart your system. So these are the two steps you can apply to change or adjust your camera settings in Windows 11.